Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our BMW unit installed in a 2011 BMW X5M that it comes with. Actually didn't come with backup camera. We installed the backup camera, but this BMW was fully loaded with the center DVD player, the armrest, and it came with navigation. So we install our 10.25 inch Android screen in it, and we add backup camera. So by going to reverse, the screen shifts to backup camera. Car came with front and back sensors both, so our unit retains all the sensors, and also front sensors too. If your car comes with that center armrest, DVD player for kids, which is rear entertainment system, if it comes with it, we have the solution for the sound from the aux. Just contact us, and if you buy the unit from us, we will help you to get it done easily. And that's the iDrive, factory iDrive. As I said, this car came with navigation already, and also that's the aftermarket mode, ID6.
I could do this all day.
The quality of the aux is perfectly fine.
Alright, I've run out of patience. On the roof!